Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a fun Fashionphile unboxing. I know there's been lots of shopping happening with Black Friday and Cyber Monday, so I thought I'd share something fun that I picked up. So here is my box from Fashionphile, and if you guys know, I love shopping pre-loved items on Fashionphile. I love their presentation, the customer service has been great, everything. So I figured I'd share my unboxing. I picked up something from Balenciaga. So let's just get into the unboxing. Cut open the box. Right on top we have a Fashionphile nail file. And it has a little phrase on the back now. It says, "I like my money where I can see it hanging in my closet." Isn't that a line from Sex and the City? Okay, so the regular card, so this is a little thank you card from Fashionphile. This is a card explaining their buyback options, and also, as you know, Fashionphile is now partnered with Neiman Marcus, so can drop off items and pick up items from a Neiman Marcus. That's a little card explaining that. And here is the little, I think this is kind of my receipt. Yes, this tells me what I got and options to sell back if I choose to. So let's get back to my item. Like I said, I really love Fashionphile's presentation. So it has a little sticker there. Used is the new. Open. So here's my item in the Fashionphile dust bag. Let's take that out. So here is my new Balenciaga day bag, and just looking at it, in the color anthracite, which is a very popular gray color in Balenciaga's leathers. And I've actually owned a Balenciaga day bag in this color previously with the regular hardware, and I've always wanted to replace it with a different hardware. So it's the Balenciaga day bag, which was their hobo style bag. This bag style is now discontinued, but it was their hobo style bag. It comes with the covered hardware. So the hardware is covered in the leather, and then it has the silver toned hardware on the zip and handles. So let's open up the bag. It's stuffed. So it does come with the Balenciaga original dust bag, which is nice. And here is the bag unstuffed, which, oh, I love it. Have the mirror in there. So it does come with the mirror. For almost a lighter gray bag, it's in pretty good condition, and as you can see, the Balenciaga leather is just so gorgeous. So just in case you're unfamiliar, these are the Fashionphile tags that are attached to your purchase. These tags are confirming authenticity, that the bag has been confirmed to be authentic by Fashionphile and their experts. This also is your kind of return tag. So if these tags are removed, you cannot return the bag. You have a time frame to return the bag, but these tags have to remain attached. So if you remove these tags, you own the bag, and you can always resell it back to Fashionphile, but you can't return it for your full refund. That's my Balenciaga unboxing, guys. Again, this is a bag that I originally purchased back in 2013, and I wanted to add it back into my collection. I love myself a good hobo style bag. I think hobos look really well styled up in winter with big coats, and then like your hobo bag kind of just looking so effortless on your shoulder. So I really like it. I don't have many larger bags in my collection, so this will be a great addition. A follow-up video about Balenciaga. This is my second Balenciaga purchase this year. I got this for like $200 on Fashionphile. Like maybe it was like $250 or so, but yeah, it was ridiculously like a ridiculous, insane price, which is why I wanted to go ahead and pick it up, especially for the condition. It's really in good condition. There's no like marks or staining, And again, the leather is still in really good condition. The hardware looks good. And it did come with the dust bag and the mirror, came with everything. So I was interested in it, but for that price, I was so ecstatic. And that's something I want to come back and maybe talk to you guys about, is check out Balenciaga. I'm a really big fan of Balenciaga, and I do prefer their original bag styles, like these classic styles. For me, I really love them. So it's really nice to own some of these pieces now for so inexpensive. Back in 2013, when I purchased this bag retail from the Balenciaga boutique, I believe I paid with taxes and all $1,200 back then. But that's 2013. So the fact that I repurchased this bag now for a fraction of that, about $200, is crazy. I really love it, and I'm so happy to now have this back into my collection. And there's a couple other Balenciaga bags I have my eye on Fashionphile. Like, Fashionphile is coming through with the Balenciaga bag prices. Again, if you're looking for the original classic Balenciaga styles. So check out Fashionphile if you're interested in shopping pre-loved. They also have like new items that are hard to find on the site. So it's a place to shop if you're looking to shop designer items for less. Definitely check out Fashionphile. All right, guys, thanks so much for watching today. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe if you're not subscribed already. If you have any questions or comments, as always, let me know in the comment section below. Until next time, guys.